Okay, now am I audible and visible to everyone?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. आप में से भी जो लोग कंफर्टेबल हैं ऑन कर सकते हैं, जो नहीं प्रिपेयर्ड है ऑन करने के लिए, you can keep it off. I just switched it on because for most of you I might be a new person. Okay, some of you are my regular students. You must have already known me, probably not seen me or known me otherwise. Okay, so बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए I'm a new person. ठीक है, बीच में और कोई नया आएगा स्टूडेंट, so I guess the admin will take care. वो उनको एंट्री देते रहेंगे. Sonam, you just asked a question. आपने अभी पूछा that what is the basic agenda of this class? Okay, thank you. I was just about to begin with that. So firstly, my name is Trisha. I'm Trisha Wale, and I'm a registered clinical psychologist. Okay. And also I'm a research scholar. I'm pursuing my PhD as well. Okay. Plus I'm a practicing clinical psychologist. I have been associated with UIBS for the past 3 years now. I've been practicing with them. I've been practicing on my own also. Okay. And also, we've been preparing students for NET, MPhil, PhD, all sort of higher studies. When I say higher studies, we do prepare master's students, but I don't take care of that thing. Okay. I'm mostly involved with students who are postmasters. ठीक है, यहाँ का हमारा आज का एजेंडा ये है दैट एमफिल को लेके लेट मी जस्ट स्विच ऑन द रिकॉर्डिंग, गिव मी अ मोमेंट. ओके, so basically today's agenda, okay, this class, why we have organized this class and why did we keep it an open class. It's not the first time we are doing it, and we keep on doing.
कौन? आयुषी?
Yeah, Sonam, I guess your mic is on. You can switch it off if you don't have a question right now. I'm answering your query itself. ठीक है? Yeah. So a lot of you appear for MPhil without a basic idea of what is going to happen in the entrance, which is very, very natural. Okay. When I started preparing, I had no idea. I started preparing in 2014 December. I guess in 2015 February, I had a CIP entrance. Okay. So an idea क्यों नहीं है हमें, चीजें क्यों नहीं पता चलती हमें, mainly because there is no prescribed format. हमारे पास नेट की तरह कोई syllabus नहीं है इसके लिए. Do you all agree for this? This is the major reason we are confused.
yes,
Yes.
Okay, okay. Anybody else? कोई input है इस एरिया में जहाँ पे मैं बोल रही हूँ कि हम मेजरली इसीलिए ही confused हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई बैकग्राउंड या स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है रेफर करने को.
Plus, ma'am, there are no sample papers also available.
yes, ma'am. They are
Okay.
not easily available.
Yes. Anyone else? कोई, you guys are free to give your inputs. Okay, आपको मेरे बोलने का खत्म होने का वेट करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आराम से इनपुट दीजिए माइक ऑन करके, बट बाकी टाइम माइक ऑफ रखिए क्योंकि फिर डिस्टर्बेंस होती है. ठीक है. So coming back that we don't have any sample papers as you guys said. Number 2, we don't have a prescribed syllabus. ठीक है. सैम्पल पेपर ना होना चलो ठीक है, सिलेबस होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सिलेबस भी नहीं है हमारे पास. ओके. एंड नंबर 3, we do not have a prescribed question paper format. Okay, कि 10 questions from developmental, 10 questions from clinical, 5 questions from research, 5 from statistics. No, we don't have that. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is what is tricky in this exam. But trust me, you can turn this into an opportunity for yourself to learn as much as you want. Okay? इसको इस तरीके से सोचिए, think about this in such a way that this is going to be the last opportunity for you where you are on this side of the table as a student to clear all your concepts. Once you clear this entrance, okay, automatically, you are on the passage of moving to the other side where any fine day, you will be on the other side, and once you've cleared this entrance and you are on there, you will be expected to know everything. When I was in my MPhil training, if I'm taking up a therapy, for de-addiction, they would suddenly ask me learning principles. Okay, they would suddenly ask me modeling. Who gave modeling? Okay, whose concept is modeling? So you have to have things on your tips, plus you have to have them so clear that आप उसको आगे practical world में use कर सको. सो अपने इस प्रिपरेटरी फेज को इस तरीके से लो कि आप इसको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी बना के यू मोल्ड योरसेल्फ इन. Just remember, all of you might have met good teachers and some average teachers in your life. सब मिले होंगे variety of teachers से अपने life में.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे मैंने ऐसे बोला, कुछ ना कुछ images of teachers आए आपके दिमाग में.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Even when you are a clinical psychologist, मैं आपको ये नहीं बोल रही आप पढ़ा रहे. Even when you are a clinical psychologist, you have trainees under you, you have interns under you, you have colleagues under you. Just remember, you don't teach or model something wrong to anyone. आपके concepts इतने clear होने चाहिए कि you know you are flawless in the way you're carrying out your assessments, in your therapies and everything. You don't model anything wrong. ठीक है? कभी-कभी हम बोलते हैं ना कि this subject wasn't so tough, it was made by the teacher for me in the school. ठीक है? So let's not be one of those people we did not like in our childhood. ठीक है? So this is a last opportunity for you to mold yourself internally and externally into a clinic in the process of becoming a clinical psychologist. Okay? Now agenda here coming down to CIP. Okay? CIP is a central institute. Okay? It is one of the pioneer institutes in India. Okay? Now, when you select an institute, for your MPhil, क्या चीज आपके दिमाग में ध्यान, क्या क्राइटेरिया आप सोचते हो? इजी है, डिफिकल्ट है, एंट्रेंस तो चलो होगा. क्या सोचते हो आप एक इंस्टीट्यूट चूज करते हुए? यस मेघना, टेल मी.
Ma'am, the reputation, RCI registration.
Good. RCI registration. Anyone else? Thank you, Meghna. Anyone else? क्या सोचते हो एक इंस्टीट्यूट चूज करते हुए अपने लिए? एटलीस्ट चूजिंग द फिलिंग ऑफ द फॉर्म, ये बोल रही हूँ. होगा नहीं होगा नहीं, क्या चूज करके आप फॉर्म फिल अप करते हो?
Ma'am, whether they're government or private, stipend, location.
यस, करेक्ट.
मैम वहाँ पीएचडी कैंडिडेट्स हैं या नहीं?
पीएचडी कैंडिडेट्स हैं या नहीं?
Ma'am, the institute standing at the national level.
The institute standing at a national level. Variety of answers, but still not the answer I am expecting.
How much we'll get to learn there, like the exposure we'll get.
Correct.
Yes, exactly. The
Exposure
Okay,
exposure
so had
and
this not been a virtual class, I would have given Sri Vidya something. ठीक. चलो अभी के लिए virtually समझो, I have given you something.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ, ठीक है. Yeah, so see, your major agenda आपका यही होना चाहिए. There was one student who wanted it in English completely. Deepa, you comfortable with the mix of English and Hindi I'm using? Hello?
yeah, fine, ma'am.
ठीक
I
है.
can understand little
हाँ.
bit, not much.
Okay, you
Okay.
can post a query where you don't understand, where you want me to repeat. ठीक है?
Sure, ma'am, sure.
Okay. Yeah. So as Sri Vidya said, your major angle, the lens, the perspective you use to choose an institute should rather be what do you think the amount of RCI of course ये सब तो चाहिए. ठीक है? ये सब चीजें मैंडेटरी है. लोकेशन ऑफ कोर्स आप अपनी फिजिबिलिटी से देखोगे ही. वो सब अलग चीजें हैं. वो आपकी फिजिबिलिटी, फैमिली फिजिबिलिटी, location feasibility, family conditions and all, because these are higher studies. You are no more children. Some of you might also be having family responsibilities. So कितना दूर है घर से and all, ये सब जाहिर सी चीजें आप ध्यान रखोगे. Apart from that, what is the thing you are supposed to look for an institute is the amount of exposure you are going to get. Now, institutes like CAP have tremendous amount of patient intake on a daily basis. ठीक है? And the variety of cases you get here, trust me, you do not get anywhere else. Like premier institutes के अलावा आपको नहीं मिलता है. Okay? We have seen n number of borderline personality cases. We have seen, there would be so much of burden of it that, by the time you open the textbook, you already know what's written in the textbook. Okay? आपको already पता है, there's so much of questioning, there's so much of analyzing in the wards and so much of, working with the patients that, these are the symptoms of schizophrenia, these are the symptoms of these and so personality disorder. Okay? So the major thing you look for in an institute is the amount of exposure they provide. That is why I, always personally tell this to all my students, even though some of the new people I had in this class, I'm still considering you my students. Go for institutes which provide you a huge amount of exposure. ठीक है? And Coming back to now, what is in hand is CIP. ठीक है? अच्छा, CIP के लिए there's going to be 100 questions in 1 hour. This is what is the format till last year. ठीक है? Any discrepancies? Anyone has any other view? They got any new information? You can, आप बता सकते हो? So,
Ma'am, there are 100 only.
100. So the best of our knowledge here, we have 100. You have to solve 100 questions in 1 hour, and that is 60 minutes and 100 questions. Do you think you have 1 minute for one question, guys?
No, ma'am. 30
Anyone?
seconds.
Yes. Anyone else who is really, frightened by the time management here? Come on, 29 of us are online. Speak up, guys. This is not a
Yes,
class.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, I attempted the mock test. Like, I have taken the UIBS package. So, like, I'm able to do 120 questions in an hour, but it's online. So, like, we have to just click on the options. But in CIP, it will be OMR sheets. So, we have to fill it. So, I'm just bothered about that. I will be able to complete them or not in that format.
You will be trusted. ठीक है? Okay. My one suggestion here is जिस आंसर को आप टिक कर चुके हो पता है. Okay, one suggestion here is question number 6. You know trisomy 21 Down syndrome. Okay, please complete the OMR. Please complete circling the coloring the whatever dot you have. ठीक है? Do not leave it. इसको वापस आके करूँगी. This is a very bad idea in time managed test. Do not do that. इसको वापस आके देखूंगी. Trust me, you will forget number 6 क्या था. You will forget number 6 trisomy था या number 8 question था. Do not do that. उसी वक्त खत्म करो. ठीक है? So 100 questions, 100 questions. For 100 questions, you get 60 minutes. Okay? There is no negative marking in CIP. The very good fact here. Okay? You have to be so thorough with your concepts, so thorough with your, things that I remember the 4 or 5 questions towards the end, that is from 95 or 96 to the 100th question, I couldn't read the whole statement. I would just read half and get a suppose I'm reading, suppose the statement is for 12 words. I would just read 2 important things from the statement and match it very quickly. Okay? So time management is one thing. Now time management doesn't come automatically. For time management, you really have to be thorough with your concepts, everyone. Okay? Then once you are selected, okay, they give you a time
Excuse
of
me, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask if we are allowed to carry watches, not smart watches, the other watches.
I'm pretty sure the other watches are allowed.
Okay,
Because
okay, ma'am.
but I really remember one more thing. CIP exam halls have really big clocks.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Okay. Mhm.
So they have really big, those huge wall clocks. So probably a clock watch का issue हो सकता है. But trust me, they'll tell you the timing. The faculty there is, like अभी तो some of my batchmates are there as teaching instructors. Meghna, you can switch off your mic.
Okay.
So some of my batchmates are also there as teaching instructors, and everyone's helpful. Everyone's gone through the same phase, no? So if you ask someone time and all, don't worry, help करेंगे. And उससे पहले ही make sure all your documents are ready, those who are going for CIP. Okay? They will want your second year certificate. Whatever document you do not have, don't panic. Okay? Don't panic. Just give them an undertaking that you require a period of this month, and on the admission, you will provide them a temporary migration or ऐसा कुछ. Or in case you cannot, you give them a time period and you provide them the original document. Okay? Do not get away with your master's admit card, because once you get enrolled into CIP, they will ask you the admit card for the last exam you appeared. Okay, so keep that very nicely with you. Okay, coming to the point where I said that time management is a very big query here. Okay, how do you manage time when your concepts are not clear? So your concepts have to be clear for you to appear very, very fast and very, very quick in the exam. Okay, now I had given some of the questions yesterday to a couple of the students here, okay, just to solve and so that you can discuss it, with me or amongst yourself. Okay, can somebody give me a list of the questions, or at least pick up 4 to 5 questions here, so that the other people are also at relax, that kuch MCQs bhi discuss hua hai yahan pe. Yeah, my UIBA students, can you just begin?
Yes, ma'am. Shall I tell the questions first?
Yeah, just one or two questions you are prepared with. Supriya, if you're taking up a question, you should also know the answer so that you complete a set of it and, you know.
Okay, ma'am. What are the
Hmm.
components of dialectical behavior therapy?
Okay. So the question here, I'll come to you, Supriya. The question here, okay, we were just doing a little bit of brainstorming so that, you know, before leaving, you can solve some newer MCQs if you haven't gone through them. So number one we decided on was what are the components of dialectical behavior therapy? Before that, I would like to ask, where do you think dialectical behavior therapy is used? In what case? Dialectical behavior
Ma'am,
therapy.
BPD, borderline.
Borderline patients.
Okay.
Borderline
बॉडीलाइन
personality
पेज
disorder.
पर्सनालिटी एंड सेल्फ हार्म बिहेवियर भी जिसमें होता है उसमें भी यूज कर सकते हैं borderline itself has a lot of self harm behavior, but apart from that, if just self harm is there, we can use it. ठीक है. Now who gave DBT?
Ma'am, Marsha.
Marshall and Ham. Okay. Components of DBT, Supriya, would you like to discuss it with us?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written them from the Google as I don't have the book. I don't know
Yeah,
whether
but
they
I've
are
told
correct
you,
or
no,
not.
how do you search in Google? Have I not told you multiple times कि आपको Google में research paper से देखना है, website से नहीं. ठीक है, कोई बात
Yes,
नहीं, आप
ma'am.
बताइए, अभी बताइए. But keep in mind, guys, Google is a very good source. I'm not one of those teachers who tell you don't Google. Of course, Google. It saves time. But get in touch with research papers. Get in the habit of reading research papers, please. ठीक है, not website. Websites का क्या है? Wikipedia, you can go and change it. Okay? And if you don't get a habit of reading research papers now, you will never be a good teacher later. ठीक है, नहीं हो पाएगा वो आपसे. चलिए सुप्रिया बताइए.
Ma'am, first one is skill training groups,
हम्म
individual treatment,
हम्म
DBT-4 coaching, and
हम्म.
consultation team.
This is not actually the components of the treatment. There are 4 components. Anyone else? I'll come back to you, Supriya. ये rectify करना पड़ेगा आपको answer.
Ma'am, I've also written the same which Supriya told.
Anyone else in the class apart from the UIBS class? These are not the हाँ जी
Ma'am,
Dimple.
can I give it a try?
या निहारिका बताओ.
Ma'am, are these mindfulness and distress
Correct.
tolerance?
Correct.
I remember two, so I don't remember the next two.
Ma'am, distress tolerance, emotional,
Emotion
interpersonal
regulation.
effectiveness, emotional regulation, and mindfulness.
Yeah, Meghna, could you type it in the chat box for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. जो आप लोग बता रहे थे सुप्रिया and ऐश्वर्या, these are not components of DBT.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So take a note
Okay,
of
ma'am.
it.
Yes, ma'am.
इसीलिए I tell you to read from research papers. When you read from websites, heading ऊपर से मिल गया. देखो time save करना, we also like it. Even I do. I will not tell textbook खोलो, library जाओ. No. अभी मैं इतनी बूढ़ी नहीं हुई 60s वाले प्रोफेसर्स में नहीं है कि मैं ये बोलूँ आपको. ठीक है. आराम से करो, रिसर्च पेपर्स डाउनलोड करके, वो रिसर्च पेपर्स से करो यार, इससे मत करो. Yeah, mindfulness, emotion regulation, distress tolerance, okay, and interpersonal effectiveness. And this is very effective in therapy. Okay, I get a lot of borderline clients, and this shows improvement. Okay, you have to just keep one thing in mind, that dependency develop na ho kisi bhi therapy mein. Otherwise, we have evidence based treatment for everything now. Okay, next question, any one of you? See, good that you bring up the questions now. I am assuming my students को at least इतना तो पता होगा DBT के components कैसे ढूंढना है. ठीक है, चलो आगे बताइए दूसरा क्वेश्चन. ट्वेंटी कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे गाइस, एक तो बताओ.
Ma'am, nidotherapy, next one.
Nidotherapy. Type the question on the screen, Supriya. Let me do it for you. In the meantime, anyone else would also can also answer. Yeah. Come on. A lot of my students are already online. क्या हो गया? Should I take names now? Don't shy away from speaking, guys, and then you expect that in one day I'll prepare you for the interview. No, come on, speak. नीडोथेरेपी के क्या है? अभी गूगल करोगे तो अभी भी डेफिनेशन मिल जाएगा. इतनी क्यों प्रॉब्लम हो रही है बोलने में?
Excuse me, ma'am. Nidotherapy.
हाँ.
Nidotherapy, name after nido, Latin meaning is nest, is a collaborative treatment involving the systematic assessment and modification of the environment to minimize the impact of any form of mental disorder on the individual or on society. It was introduced for the patient with severe mental illness, mainly schizophrenia and personality disorder.
Okay.
Ma'am, in simpler terms, it's just changing the environment of the person so that you can.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
it is not to change the person, but to create a better fit between the environment in all its forms. As a consequence, the patient may improve because of harmonious relationship between the environment and the patient.
Okay.
Simply,
Thank
ma'am,
you. हाँ.
we can say that it is changing the environment for the betterment of the patient or to give a better environment to the patient.
Okay. So
And
good.
one last line, there is no good evidence that nidotherapy is effective. It is still an experimental therapy. Thank you.
Okay. Very good, Babita ji, Meghna, and Aishwarya, है ना? Okay. So this is clear. I guess नीडोथेरेपी में आप अगर देखो, अगर आपको टाइम नहीं है, क्वेश्चन हाफ पढ़ना है, तो आप लाइक हाफ पढ़ना ही है, बिकॉज या तो पीछे के 5 छूटेंगे आपसे. यू आर जस्ट अबाउट टू सबमिट इट एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू सर्कल समथिंग. फिर क्या करोगे, है ना? So it's written and folk therapy focusing on changing the environment. So you don't even read पीछे का. You just click नीडोथेरेपी. I'm not advocating that you don't read the full sentence. I'm just saying when it is required, what should you do? Okay, very good. Next question, guys. Just we'll discuss 5 to 6, not all of them. So come up with questions, guys.
Ma'am, schema therapy.
Schema therapy का question. Who would like to take this up? I brainstormed a lot yesterday, guys, because you requested for this class, right? So now answer.
Ma'am, I don't know what schema therapy actually is, but schemas are the basic units of
The question was given a day, एक दिन का time दिया गया है. So I guess
Ma'am,
a lot of
I'm new, ma'am.
I understand. That's why I'm not saying that to you. Okay? हाँ जी.
The concept of schema therapy was given by Dr. Jeffrey Jung. He began the development of the schema therapy in the mid 1980s after he found that cognitive behavioral therapy is less helpful for some individuals than others, and particularly those with chronic categorical concerns.
Okay. ठीक. So chronic categorical concerns and all. Guys, you should remember some stuff. Very important. Okay? अच्छा ठीक है. What strategies have you adopted so far for planning for CIP? I would like to ask somebody who's not a part of UIBS so that you can share it with our students and they can also tell you. A give and take can happen. And then you can give me your own queries. ठीक है? अपनी query भी पूछनी है तो वो भी बता सकते हैं. बताइए. Then we'll focus a little on the interview preparation also. ठीक है? But अभी at least let me know where do you guys stand. What is your preparation? हाँ जी, बताइए. How did you start preparing? The amount of time you've taken? Yes, Niharika, the books you are referring, what is happening with you, getting anxious, क्या हो रहा है, everything. Let us know.
Yes, ma'am. So I've recently started preparing
First,
for
Niharika, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am, sure. My name is Niharika and I'm 22 years old. I'm doing an integrated course of BA plus MA in clinical psychology from Amit University, Noida. And I'm currently in my 8th semester. So this is my last week going on. And I've recently started preparing for MPhil in clinical psychology. And the pattern that I've started following is that first I take up a topic I
Hmm.
study it thoroughly. I make sure that I study it thoroughly from
Hmm.
at least 2 to 3 books, and the books that I refer to are Morgan and King and
Hmm.
Barron mostly.
Hmm.
And then I practice the MCQs from Arihant.
Okay.
The problem that I'm facing now is that I need more of like places from where to practice the MCQs. So that is one thing that I wanted to ask, that what are the best sources from where I can practice the MCQs?
Okay. And how long it has been that you've started exclusively preparing for MPhil, Niharika?
Ma'am, not at all long. It's just this year only, January,
Okay,
mid of.
okay. And which institutes do you plan to target?
Ma'am, Nimhans, CIP
Hmm.
Ranchi, Raivas.
Okay. So if I just start with Niharika's query, and Niharika, how much time do you think you would require for this, given the fact that you also have your college things to do and all? Okay, so you'll be free by June something from your college work, May, June, right?
No, ma'am, by December. I have a
Okay,
total
by
of
this
9
year.
semesters.
Okay.
So the MA is of 1.5 years, not 2 years, because since it is an integrated dual degree program.
Okay. So if you are free by December, then you are eligible to appear entrances for 2022, right?
Yes, ma'am, right. Yes, ma'am.
And usme bhi, I guess 22 wala February May you will have again CIP, but you will require to have your master's certificate with you, like the post graduation certificate. Will that be available within that time for you? So that
Ma'am,
is
I'm
going to
also from the same course, her senior only. Yes, ma'am, our results are out and they have provided bona fide and everything.
तो वो
And
आपको
my immediate senior is also in CIP.
ओके,
So
तो
they just
CIP अप्लाई करने से पहले आपको मिल जाएगा, है ना?
yes.
ठीक है. So Niharika,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are going in a very steady pace. Good. Okay. Also, but I'll tell you one thing, कॉलेज वर्क के साथ थोड़ा कभी कभी मुश्किल होगा, तो आपको एक रूटीन तो जरूर बनाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? That you at least keep weekdays only for MPhil, इस तरीके से. Right now it probably are online mode, but once it's an offline mode, then you will have to properly follow that routine. ठीक है? Make sure you stick to your routine, because if you've started now, it's a very good timing where you've planned things and all. Okay, आपके पास आराम से time है. Then again, coming back to the point where you're saying MCQs, ठीक है? Look for sample papers online. A lot of institutes provide some of the free sample papers, ठीक है? You can ask UIBS admin, they also provide sample papers, ठीक है? तो sample papers, you can just go for the mock test thing from here, whatever suits you, okay? Otherwise, sources nahi hai, you have to look for sample papers from the net, ठीक है? एक तरीका आप कर सकते हो, that you might go for question papers from the net, okay? Time them and solve them, and then come back here and to your MPhil preparation. So you take a question, so you download a soft copy of a question paper, prepare that, solve that in a given time, and then उसमें से areas ढूंढ लो जो कमी लगती है, and then you read your own MPhil stuff. That you can do. But MPhil के as such question papers या textbooks नहीं मिलेंगे. आपको net का material, mock questions चाहिए, तो net का material ही refer करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? यहाँ पे we do provide, but then it's of course your own lookout. ठीक है? तो वो आप
Ma'am,
देख.
actually, I have the notes from UIBS as well as the mock test. But ma'am, the package consists of all the mixed questions from all the topics. These are full-fledged mock test, and what I want is that I study one topic, I make my notes, I study
Yeah,
from them,
do
and
one
then
thing, Niharika, please
topics.
post your query or call up with your query to the admin, because I think they have chapter wise mock test also.
All
ठीक है?
right, ma'am, we'll do that. Okay,
हाँ,
ma'am.
they do
Thank you.
have it, so you can just talk to them and come to conclusion how do you get it and what to do about it.
All right, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Thank you.
Okay. Anybody apart from Niharika wants to speak up and share up, and then we take up their queries also. We have to do the interview part also, guys. बताइए.
हेलो.
हाँ
गुड
जी.
इवनिंग मैम.
हाँ जी पारुल, बताइए.
मैम, कैन यू शेयर सम रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम्स, लाइक रिसर्च स्टैट से कैसे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं?
Yeah. So I've given yesterday a couple of questions. जिसमें there was this question type 1, type 2 error. Has anyone solved that? Very simple and nice question. Type 1, type 2 error.
Ma'am, I know what is type 1, type 2 error. Ma'am,
Okay.
basically, type 1 is when you accept the hypothesis when it is not there, and type 2 when you reject it and it is it is true.
It is true. ठीक है. So basically आपको research में very core research की इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now types of sampling. What is convenient sampling? ठीक है. Convenient sampling क्या है? मुझे जो अगला सैंपल मिला मैंने ले लिया, क्राइटेरिया स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं है. स्नोबॉल सैम्पलिंग. ठीक है. सो इस तरीके कुछ चीज़ें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. पैरामेट्रिक नॉन पैरामेट्रिक टेस्ट क्या है आपको ये ज़रूर पता होना चाहिए. ओके. आपको यू नो you can switch off your mic, Parul. Okay, I got your question. So normal probability curve के characteristics क्या होते हैं? Okay, kurtosis क्या होता है? I given a question on kurtosis yesterday. ठीक है. So if it is positively skewed, negatively skewed, वो सब terms क्या हैं? ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Then coming to methodology further में आपको types of reliability, types of validity पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है. Psychological testing की तरफ आते हो तो आपको एटलीस्ट पता होना चाहिए दैट यू नो Rorschach कार्ड्स की डिटेल्स. एवरी कार्ड हैज अ थीम गोइंग ऑन. आई हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस विद माय अदर स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है. टीएटी इंडियन वर्जन के बारे में थोड़ा सा पता होना चाहिए. टीएटी द वेस्टर्न वर्जन के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. यू शुड नो अबाउट सैक्स सेंटेंस कंप्लीशन टेस्ट की 4 डोमेन्स क्या हैं. ठीक है. फैमिली, सेक्स, ऑक्यूपेशन, 4 ऐसे करके 4 डोमेन्स है. वो चीज़ें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. Apart from that, you know, research, psychological testing and stats में degree of freedom के questions बहुत common है. Net वाले level के questions नहीं है. ठीक है. Net में research and stats is very very different from what is here. ठीक है. इतना नहीं ज़रूरत है, but guys basics are basics. You should know them. ठीक है. उस पे आप compromise नहीं कर सकते कि आपको basics नहीं मालूम है ना. Basic तो आपको पता रहना चाहिए. काई स्क्वायर पता कर लिया अब. ठीक है. डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम पता कर लिया. हर चीज का कैसे निकालते हैं. ओके. अनोवा के प्री कंडीशंस क्या है. व्हाट आर यू नो पोस्ट हॉक टेस्ट कौन से होते हैं. ठीक है. वो पता कर लिया. देन यू नो फैक्टर एनालिसिस थोड़ा सा पढ़ लिया. दैट यू नो एक्सप्लोरेटरी फैक्टर एनालिसिस क्या होता है. कंफर्मेटरी फैक्टर एनालिसिस क्या होता है. सिंपल क्वेश्चंस आपने देखे होंगे. द टेस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो मेनी आइटम्स वर पुल्ड इन, देन दीज मेनी आइटम्स वर ड्रॉप्ड. आउट ऑफ इट ओनली 10 आइटम्स वर रिटेन्ड इन द स्केल. रोटेशन वाज डन. तो ये थोड़े क्वेश्चंस पता कर लो. ठीक है. हर क्वेश्चन इतना टफ नहीं होता. समटाइम्स द टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज्ड इन द क्वेश्चन इज टफ. क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट टफ, ट्रस्ट मी. इवन दे आर ह्यूमंस, दे अंडरस्टैंड द वंस हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग कि आपको 30-35 सेकंड्स एक क्वेश्चन के लिए मिल रहा है. ठीक है. You just have to be thorough with your concepts because they're expecting somebody to come into the MPhil zone, somebody who has a research aptitude, somebody who has a clinical aptitude to learn further with a background of general psychology clear. Okay. Learning के concepts clear नहीं है. How do you expect to do therapy? Okay. Child and adolescent psychiatry area में तो you need learning के behavior psychology के principles very clear. फिर क्या करोगे. फिर वहाँ learning के प्रिंसिपल्स क्लियर करने का टाइम भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है. तो ये सारी बैकग्राउंड चीजें रिगार्डिंग स्टैट्स एंड रिसर्च एंड जनरल साइकोलॉजी शुड बी क्लियर. ओके. या एनीबॉडी एल्स. नेक्स्ट पर्सन.
थैंक यू मैम.
या
Ma'am, and questions related to testing, like in NET we see the NEO and MMPI. So in MPhil
MMPI A अलग होता है. ठीक है. MMPI 2 अलग है. MMPI adolescent अलग है. MMPI RF अलग है. ओके. सो मेक श्योर आपको इन सब के बारे में पता हो. ठीक है. Any student wants to contribute more, I've said MMPI A, MMPI 2, MMPI RF. Anything else? Any other MMPI you know about? बट ये 3 तो कॉमन है. आपको तीनों का अलग अलग पता होना चाहिए. क्या पता होना चाहिए. वैलिडिटी स्किल्स क्या है. क्लिनिकल स्किल्स क्या है. ये पता होना चाहिए. आई हैव आल्सो सीन अ क्वेश्चन इन द नेट क्वेश्चन पेपर. आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव सीन और नॉट. क्लिनिकल स्केल्स ऑफ MMPI 2 को क्रोनोलॉजिकली अरेंज करो जैसे शीट में दिया गया है. ठीक है. तो ये भी प्रैक्टिस करिए. When you read a page or a paragraph, ask yourself what kind of questions can you be asked about this. Anything from factual to philosophical to an abstract question. सब कुछ पूछा जा सकता है उससे. ठीक है? Okay? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So MMPI पूछ सकते हैं, NeoPI पूछ सकते हैं. MCMI के मैंने इतने क्वेश्चंस नहीं देखे. मैच द फॉलोइंग करेंगे तो आ जाएगा MCMI भी. ठीक है? रोजनवेग पिक्चर फ्रस्ट्रेशन टेस्ट के बारे में पढ़ के जाइए. आई गेस व्हेन यू गूगल दिस नो यू गेट सम रिसर्च पेपर्स व्हिच प्रोवाइड यू मैनुअल लाइक डिटेल्स. ओके. एक क्वेश्चन होता है व्हिच इज ऑफन आस्क्ड इन प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट्स इज सिस्टम्स ऑफ इंटरप्रेटिंग रॉर्शक. ठीक है?
It's
I've
common
repeated this.
question.
It's a common question in the premier institutes. I've repeated this n number of times. ठीक है? तो ये मैं बता चुकी हूँ आपको. Exner, Rappaport, okay, Petrosky, Beck, okay. So these are famous questions there, which go around. ठीक है? POSCO Act के बारे में पढ़ के जाइए. Okay, latest Mental Health Act के बारे में पढ़ के जाइए. DSM-5 में changes हुए हैं. Okay, DSM-5 में changes हुए हैं. OCD में specifier है. स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया के टाइप्स हट गए हैं. ठीक है? इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी हो गया है. ओके. बहुत सारे चेंजेस हुए हैं. उनको थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर से पढ़ के जाइए. एटलीस्ट सारा नहीं भी समझ आए इस लेवल पे तो ओके. वो सारी चीजें तो पढ़ के ही जानी पड़ेंगी. You cannot say that I don't know about the DSM-5 changes. I don't know. You have read. If you haven't seen clients, पढ़ा तो है. उसमें से questions तो expected है. ठीक है?
Ma'am, also should we focus more on DSM or ICD?
See, practice-wise, CIP uses ICD, but research-wise, they also use DSM. ठीक है? So you should MCQ. देखो, MCQ के लिए तो आप DSM भी पढ़ के जाओ. There is no second thought on it. DSM-5 latest है, उसके questions latest है, तो MCQ के लिए आप वो जरूर पढ़ के जाओ. ठीक है? और मेजर कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. ICD-10 आप फ्लिप थ्रू करोगे 2-3 बार तो आपके ग्रिप में आ जाएगी वो चीज. कोई बहुत खास डिफरेंस नहीं. ICD-10 से एक क्वेश्चन है डिपेंडेंस क्राइटेरिया सब्सटेंस का. वो जरूर पढ़ के जाए. सब्सटेंस विच इज इन डिपेंडेंस, सब्सटेंस विच इज इन हार्मफुल यूज, सब्सटेंस विच इज इन इंटॉक्सिकेशन, एंड दीज आर 3-4 डिफरेंट लेवल्स. नॉट एवरीवन हु इज कंज्यूमिंग सब्सटेंस इज इन द डिपेंडेंस क्राइटेरिया. ठीक है? ये सारी चीजें क्लियर करके जाओ. Okay. Yes. Yeah, we can take up 1 or 2 questions from yesterday, guys. Why aren't the old, like the regular students, speaking up about the questions? Okay, Michelle, you posted a question regarding which of these become criminals later in life. I guess कुछ ऐसा question था. Could you read that out for us?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. Which of the following disorders is not commonly diagnosed in criminals? Depersonalization, schizophrenia, antisocial social personality disorder, and narcissistic personality disorder.
So the question is, which of it is not diagnosed in criminals? Antisocial is diagnosed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Schizophrenia भी हो सकता है? Because under delusional hallucination they are doing it?
Yes, ma'am. Paranoid.
Okay. Derealization, did you say, Michelle, derealization?
Depersonalization.
Depersonalization, okay. And narcissistic.
Ma'am, I think the answer will be depersonalization.
Okay, and why not narcissistic, Meghna?
Ma'am, because in narcissistic disorder also ma'am, it can be narcissistic.
Which of these hai?
Depersonalization.
The question is which of these, right, Michelle?
Which of these is not commonly diagnosed in criminals?
So I will go with depersonalization or narcissistic. I will go with both of them. Anyone wants to contradict or has any input here?
Ma'am, I think we can select only one option.
Okay, we can select only one. In that case, I'll go with narcissistic personality. Which of these is not me? I'll go with narcissistic personality. Okay? Okay? Because whatsoever cases like depersonalization may, they might still zone out and do something and later feel that this is not a part of me. Okay? Any criminal activity and this is not a part of me. Schizophrenia can do it under delusions and hallucinations. Antisocial by default is in that pathway of becoming a criminal. Okay? Do you get it? Anyone has to give any input in this answer can give, Gladys.
Ma'am, but in like narcissism also, they are very arrogant, and like Hitler was diagnosed with having a narcissistic personality, and many of the psychopaths also have narcissistic personality comorbidity.
Okay, they might have, I'm saying, but if you see clinically, depersonalization is a situation where they don't know what's happening with their own selves. They don't see it doing. Suppose an activity is going on, they might say, this is not me.
Yes.
Okay, so that is a clinical condition. Narcissistic is a personality disorder. Okay, like you were also partially correct. That's why I asked now which of these, like if there were two options, it's a safer answer then. Okay? Yeah. Anything else you guys want to discuss?
Ma'am, what is saturation in projective techniques?
Yeah, even I did not understand that, Michelle, when you asked me yesterday. Either you're reading the question half or it is incomplete. Like, probably it is a part of TAT assessment, what you are saying. Okay? Because that seems an incomplete
Net question
question.
as well. So I copied it from there correctly.
Where you copied it from?
Net paper. This was asked in CIP also, and it was there in net also.
Okay.
So the question.
I'll try to look into it, but actually this does not make much sense to me. Right now you can type it in the chat box for the other students. उनके पास time होगा तो वो जरूर देख लेंगे इस question को. Okay? एक दो questions मैंने और दिए थे कल. Yeah, I don't have the list, guys. No, none of you. I guess did you post the list? एक बार देख लूँ मैं. Yeah. Okay. So there was this question I had posted yesterday. Premack principle. Okay. Anyone would like to discuss that? Premack principle? Yeah, I'll type it, okay? It is from learning behavior psychology. Premack principle. Yeah, I guess Meghna will give a chance to Himani. Okay,
Yes,
Himani
ma'am. Yes,
बताइए.
ma'am.
हिमानी बताइए.
मैम ये रीइंफोर्समेंट का प्रिंसिपल है जिसमें हम जो हमारी जो ज्यादा बिहेवियर होता है, प्रोबेबल बिहेवियर होता है, उसको एक रीइंफोर्समेंट के रूप में देते हैं. जो हम कोई सबसे कम जो प्रोबेबल बिहेवियर है वो करते हैं.
We pair one behavior with the other.
Yes, ma'am.
One very desirable behavior with an undesirable behavior, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, not desirable, desirable. जिस behavior की frequency कम है, हम उसको एक desirable behavior से pair कर देते हैं. ठीक है? Anyone else has anything more to add here? Thank you, Himani.
Welcome.
Guys, ऐसे question आते हैं premier institutes में. They will all they want to know is your clinical aptitude and nothing else. ठीक है? Okay. Another question was, what is tardive dyskinesia? Another important question.
Can you repeat the question?
Tardive dyskinesia. Should I type it? tardive dyskinesia is one of the side effects of having antipsychotics. Okay, it affects the bodily movements, it affects the facial expressions and everything. ठीक है, look for it in Carlson and Boucher. Carlson and Boucher है सबके पास?
It's a condition which affects the nervous system due to long-term use of psychiatric drugs.
It is majorly a side effect of antipsychotics.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Okay. Okay. Brain parts में we had just taken up छोटा सा revision question. Mid brain का inferior colliculi and superior colliculi.
Ma'am, superior collicular vision, inferior audition.
ये याद रखना, quick questions है, ये आते हैं. ठीक है? Superior colliculi is vision, inferior colliculi
Auditory.
auditory hearing. Okay. What is the difference between testing and assessment? I had given a question. What is the difference between testing and assessment?
Ma'am, basically assessment is a broader term in which clinical interview and observation, etc. comes into play. Testing is a particular test.
Very good. Testing comprises of 1 or 2 tests you carry out karoge. Assessment comprises of everything. Your reports, your history, your MSc, your testing results, and then your conceptualization. ठीक है, सारी चीजें आती हैं इसमें. Okay. अच्छा. Did anyone go through the Thorndike's laws I had told yesterday?
Ma'am, I have an idea. It's law of effect and
Anyone else? Anyone else? I would want other people to participate. Himani, बताइए.
Law of readiness, law of effect, and law of exercise.
Law of readiness, law of effect, and law of?
Exercise.
Law of exercise. Correct. Okay. Anyone has to add on? Very good. Anyone has to add on here? Meghna, you can add on now.
ma'am, later he gave other laws also, like many laws he laid down, 8 other laws after the 3 main laws of exercise, effect, and readiness. Then there were laws such as I'm not remembering them right now. The 3 I remember.
I gave Thorndike's law as a homework question, guys, because usually what happens before exam, we become so preoccupied with Skinner and Pavlov, we forget other people in the behavior. Okay, जैसे कि you are supposed to know Albert Bandura modeling. Albert Bandura, you need to know reciprocal determinism. There are three factors in this reciprocal determinism. ठीक है, it's the person, the environment, and what is this one more thing? Personality. Behavior. ठीक है, और ये common question है reciprocal determinism वाला. Usually गलत इसीलिए होता है because when we talk about reciprocal determinism, we think there are 2 factors, and question में we look for 2 factors and we answer that. ठीक है, so reciprocal determinism हो गया. Then Carl Jung's principle of entropy and all, जो personality के 3 principles. Does anyone remember 3 of them? I remember one principle of entropy. 1 minute.
Principle of equivalence, principle of opposite.
Principle of opposites and principle of entropy. Correct, Rashmi. Very good. ये सारी चीजें याद रखो. ठीक है. Who gave the concept of archetypes?
Ma'am, Jung.
The concept of archetypes. Okay. Famous archetypes कुछ दिए उन्होंने. Mother archetype, father archetype, hero,
son.
ठीक है. son. ये सारी चीजें रखेंगे याद. Okay. Then Rotter's का internal locus of control याद रखेंगे. ठीक है. So there are multiple things to discuss. Okay. Autism and Asperger's में thin line difference याद रखेंगे. Okay. Asperger's is credited to Dr. Hans Asperger's. Autism is credited to Dr. Leo Kanner. Okay. एंड स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया की हिस्ट्री बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट्स में हिस्ट्री वाले क्वेश्चंस भी पूछते हैं, ठीक है, वो याद रखेंगे, हाउ ब्लॉयलर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड, हाउ कर्ट स्नाइडर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड, ओके, हाउ थिंग्स केम, ओके, वो आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा।
Ma'am, can you repeat the 3 principles of personality that you just told?
Principles of personality by Carl Jung, principle of equivalence, principle of entropy, and lastly, रश्मि क्या बताया था आपने?
Principle of opposite.
Principle of opposites, ठीक है, principle of equivalence. This is taken from physics, but the explanation is entirely different, okay? Also make sure you know every disorder and the defense mechanism attached to it. ठीक है, every disorder and the defense mechanism attached with it. ठीक है. Any other query, guys? Anything else, or should we start with the interview preparation? Because you, हाँ जी, hello.
Yeah, ma'am, you were discussing difference between autism
Just want
and
हाँ जी,
Asperger's syndrome.
हाँ जी, रूही
Could
बताइए.
you repeat the points?
Okay. So I was saying that, you know, these questions are very common because this is how this helps you in diagnosing and knowing, इसीलिए ये common है, ठीक है, क्यों ऐसा, हमें क्यों जानना है Asperger's and autism का difference, ठीक है, डालने को तो हम उसको autism spectrum disorders में डाल चुके हैं already, okay, this is also another change in DSM-5, ठीक है, इसीलिए difference जानना जरूरी है रूही, because it is the same restrictive repetitive behavior, communication problems, ठीक है, but यहाँ पे Asperger's में they don't have any cognitive impairment, okay, their IQ is rather very nice and they have a very, you know, different tone and accent of speaking, ठीक है, so they are also known as little professors, as in they have a very good IQ, okay, but rest of all the features it matches with autism spectrum. Otherwise Asperger's have a very good vocabulary and a good IQ, okay, बाकी चीजें मैच करती हैं. Asperger's is credited to Dr. Hans Asperger's and autism is credited to Dr. Leo Kanner.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी, रश्मि बताइए.
जी मैम, एस्पर्जर सिंड्रोम में क्या आई कांटेक्ट वगैरह रहता है?
नहीं, वो सब नहीं रहता, बहुत कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड ही रहता है वो सब भी.
तो केवल जो बेसिक या थीम लाइन हम कह सकते हैं वो डिफरेंस है, वो आईक्यू है और स्पीच है.
हाँ,
यही है,
स्पीच है, ठीक है,
बाद बाकी हम उसमें सिमिलर लेकर चल सकते हैं कि दोनों में बात कॉमन होते हैं. Okay,
Ma'am, was not autism given by Bloor and not Kanner?
No, autism. See, the word autism means withdrawn to self. ठीक है? The word autism means withdrawn to self. When we talk in terms of schizophrenia, 4 A's of Bleuler or Bleuler as we call it, ठीक है? अब now premier institutes में professors have a habit of saying Bleuler को Bleuler, so I've got this habit from them, okay? So Bleuler gave this term in schizophrenia की history में 4 A's of Bleuler, जिसमें एक word है autism, ठीक है? Which means withdrawn to self. But autism, the disorders were recognized by Dr. Leo Kanner, not Bleuler. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah, I guess Michelle, you were asking something. I guess somebody here was asking something.
I just wanted to confirm one answer. There was a question, introversion with advanced band. So will it be Jung or it will be Eysenck, ma'am?
We get this introversion, extroversion parameter जो था वो किनका है? When we classify introversion and extroversion and ambiverts.
Ma'am, Cattell ने किया था ये.
Jung.
ठीक है. No, एक क्लासिफिकेशन है ना, पर्सनालिटी के शुरू में ही है, पर्सनालिटी के शुरू के 2-3 पेजेस में ही वो है ना, somebody saying Katal, but let me recall. एक classification है ना, where you do introversion, extroversion, and then ambiverts. Later
Ma'am, the
ambiverts.
basic concept is from Jung, but Isaac giving the categorization.
How come you are saying the basic version is from Jung, Dilnawaz?
It was in personality theory, ma'am. He has given the concept.
Are you guys sure? Is it from Holland, Lindsay?
Ma'am, NCERT में it's mentioned Jung. Just checked.
Okay. ठीक है, then it is Carl Jung, okay? Okay. See, you can go, Parul, I'll tell you, books, don't go for books. If you can get the access of manuals from students in different colleges, get the manuals and read the introduction of every psychological test from there. ठीक है, बुक से इतना पॉसिबल नहीं होगा और कोई एक बुक नहीं है जिसमें सब कुछ दिया होगा. ठीक है, आपको if you have to get hold, either start reading research papers for every test or get hold and start reading the manuals. ठीक है, anything more guys? You can start.
सॉरी मैम, तो जो सीनियर्स हैं उनसे मैनुअल्स लेना पड़ेगा ना? आई मीन मैनुअल्स कैसे
That's up to you how you get them, get hold of them.
Okay,
that is totally up to you. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So interview preparation पे थोड़ा सा आए बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you go for an interview, a very basic thing I'll tell you first is make sure you are very thorough with 1 or 2 disorders. ठीक है, सो ये किसी भी इंटरव्यू पैनल में सेम ही होता है. ठीक है, इंटरव्यूज आर अप टू यू हाउ यू कैरी देम फॉरवर्ड. आप कैसे उनको आगे बढ़ा के ले जाना चाहते हो. ठीक है, तो ऐसे नहीं बैठना है दैट यू नो जितना पूछा गया उतना बताया, ज़्यादा नहीं बोला. नहीं, यू आर अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट ऑलरेडी. You are on the verge of becoming a clinical psychologist, enrolling yourself for a clinical psychology training, but you already are a psychologist, okay? So behave like a psychologist. You don't have to behave like a typical student who is fumbling and, you know, of course, you'll be a little anxious, that's all fine, but you know, who's very much, you know, jitna pucha gaya hai, utna hi. Nahi. They want, your profession now involves interacting with people day in and day out, okay? Once you choose the field of clinical psychology, do you think, you know, you can just be with yourselves? Can you do that?
Not at all, ma'am.
Okay, it will involve so much of PR, trust me. It will involve so much of public relations.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Okay, I as a kid would speak very less. Like you guys will not trust that now the way I have
Same
become.
with me, ma'am. Same
Okay,
thing with me also.
Yeah, so it would speak very less, only the required amount. Okay, and I would mostly play on my own. I wasn't dependent on a group to play that way. But then, you know, so much of public handling, so much of talking to people day in and day out, you need to bring that into your personality. And they also want to know that. Don't outsmart them. Okay? There are a variety of people in the panel. Do not outsmart them. Sit calmly, have your hold on your seat. Okay? You've come a long way, you've cleared a written, you're sitting there. Okay? You've done your master's, couple of internships. So now by now you should know what is your area of interest. ठीक है, तो कुछ भी आप बोल रहे हो, चाहे आप OCD बोल रहे हो, चाहे पर्सनालिटी बोल रहे हो, ऑटिज्म स्पेक्ट्रम बोल रहे हो. अच्छा, one of you tell me your areas of interest.
Ma'am, dissociative and personality disorders.
Okay, okay. अच्छा, whom should I begin with, Aishwarya or Meghna then?
Ma'am, you can ask me.
Okay, so Meghna, you said you are fond of personality and dissociative disorders, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me the changes in dissociative disorders? If there are any changes in DSM-5?
Ma'am, in dissociative disorders, the dissociative fugue was characterized earlier as a separate disorder, but now it comes under dissociative amnesia only.
Just a second. Please note this point down. I've recently encountered this point somewhere, like read this or taught this to somebody. The dissociative fugue has been removed as a separate classification.
And ma'am, dissociative identity disorder, now it is called instead of split personality or multiple identity disorder.
And yes, since you're speaking, so explain to others also, why is the word personality removed and identity included?
Ma'am,
पहले इसको
because
मल्टीपल पर्सनालिटी बोला जाता था, है ना? अभी मल्टीपल पर्सनालिटी क्यों नहीं बोलते हम इसको?
Ma'am, because it contributes to the stigma. People used to think that there are multiple personality. Instead, in dissociative identity disorder, there is a lack of only one integrated personality only. So there cannot be multiple personalities.
There is one personality, okay, and then there are other identities the person adopts. Okay, one individual cannot have multiple personalities. Okay, the term is faulty and derogatory in nature. Okay. Meghna, could you tell me some defense mechanisms which is adopted in dissociation by the client if you go from the psychoanalytic perspective?
Ma'am, we can say projection, reaction formation, and repression. And displacement.
Okay, repression fails. Does ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या repression fails in dissociation?
Ma'am, yes, if the person is going into it, basically dissociation happens after a severe trauma. So the person loses his or her main identity in order to go into another identity where the repressed thoughts can come out. So I think that repressed thoughts are manifested in dissociation identity disorder.
Okay, ठीक है. What therapies would you recommend for dissociative identity disorder?
Ma'am, basically psychodynamically oriented therapies are recommended. One popular is hypnotherapy, but it has been debated that clinicians, expertise should be there, because clinicians might in suggestions suggest some statements which actually contribute to the development of the disorder. That's why it has been very, very controversial from ages.
Okay. Otherwise, what would you recommend? What have you read so far?
Ma'am, I've read that only psychodynamically oriented and hypnotherapy is the prime choice of therapy in dissociative identity disorder, because CBT and other therapies would not work because the conflicts are internal.
Okay. Does dissociation happen in stages, Meghna, or it happens all at once to the individual?
Ma'am, I think that it happens after a severe trauma, so it happens all. Of course, it takes time to happen, but like it blows in proportion at once.
Very well handled. Okay. Any scales would you like to recommend to measure the dissociative? कुछ ऐसा scale आता है क्या to measure, to get a quantity of the distortion?
Ma'am, I'm not aware of any scales.
There's a dissociative experience scale आता है. ठीक है? So Meghna, otherwise very well handled, but don't use words like I think. ठीक है? You're doing it very well. आप I think की जगह बोल सकते हो as to the best of my knowledge.
My knowledge.
ठीक है? Because I think looks like you're not sure, rather you're sure. Even if trust me. देखो, अब उनको सुबह से इंटरव्यू लेते हुए genuinely इतना नहीं समझ में आता. They get tired also. ठीक है? But if you use present nicely, to the best of my knowledge and all. ठीक है? और आप क्या करोगे, इसमें बुक्स के नाम अच्छे से याद करोगे. ठीक है? मैं ये बार-बार ये चीज बोलती हूँ. क्यों? अगर मैंने पूछू डिसोसिएशन की बैकग्राउंड, ये जो आप बता रहे हो कहाँ से पढ़ा? Supposedly if I ask you, Meghna, what is the textbook you have read? Where did you read this from? What will you say?
Ma'am, Abnormal Psychology by Hooley and
there are 4 authors. ठीक है? Carlson, Butcher, Mineka and Hooley. ठीक है? तो ये भी बताओगे और एडिशन भी बता दोगे. Okay?
Okay.
Don't say Morgan and King. Morgan and King has 2 other people. कौन है वो तो?
Ma'am, Morgan and King is the?
Morgan and King are first 2 authors. There are 4 authors for Morgan and King, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So mention all the 4. Give due credit to all the 4. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Otherwise, also, you know, personality बोलोगे तो questions ऐसे आएंगे, cluster A, B, C divide करो, ठीक है? Cluster A को majorly define करो. Okay, what is OCPD known as in ICD? ठीक है? OCPD is known as anancastic in ICD. ठीक है? Borderline है तो borderline की therapy के बारे में पूछ लिया. Okay, and then again जैसे criminal वाली बात हुई थी, अभी criminal वाला question आया था. Somewhat alert narcissist है ना, तो ASPD या narcissistic को जैसे आप relate कर पा रहे थे, वो relate करके कुछ हो सकता है question. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? थेरेपीज पे भी हो सकता है. Okay, then ये query भी आ सकती है, मेल्स को ज्यादा है या फीमेल्स का रेशियो ज्यादा है. ऑटिज्म का ये क्वेश्चन बहुत कॉमन है गाइस.
मेल्स का मैम.
हाँ, मेल्स में ज्यादा है. ठीक है? रेट्स जैसे सिर्फ फीमेल्स में है. ठीक है? इस तरीके के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं बच्चों. ओके,
थैंक यू सो मच.
ओके. या ऐश्वर्या, आप एनीवन एल्स वुड लाइक टू आल्सो वॉलंटियर? सो यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, आप बोल रहे हो ओसीडी फेवरेट है, ये पढ़ा है, तो आगे कैसे होगा? या पूछो बच्चों. Anyone else want to volunteer? You can't answer, let it be. At least you will know that ये ऐसे मुझे आगे चलना है. Yeah, anyone has to volunteer, no? Otherwise, how am I going to help you out? Any one of you has to volunteer? Don't answer, no. क्या जाता है? I'm saying don't answer. I'm saying let's give a try where you don't answer. ठीक है? Should I pick up a student and give my disorder the I want to? They're not even ready for that. वैसे कर ले? And I'm saying don't answer. मत कीजिए.
Ma'am?
हाँ जी.
I also have work experience. After my master's, I worked at a hospital as a counselor. So in Viva, should I also, if they ask me about my experience of working, so how to proceed with that?
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, something just came up. Could you repeat your question?
Yes, so ma'am, I was saying I also have work experience. After my master's, I joined a hospital. So in Viva, if they ask about my experience,
they will ask you.
Yeah, so
how should you go about that? You are saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so firstly, you know, if see Ruhi, you know what work you have done. Okay, explain me the nature of the work you were doing.
I was working at Rajiv Gandhi Hospital, which is a cancer hospital, and my role involved helping the clients there deal with the illness, understanding what is cancer, and so when we tell them that it
breaking the bad news basically.
Yeah, breaking the bad news. And
ठीक है, so breaking, अभी सुनो रूही, breaking the bad news पहले पढ़ो क्या होता है. Because breaking the bad news के आपको research papers मिले. ठीक है? Breaking the bad news कैसे करते हैं? एक sandwich form में करते हैं ना. पहले बताते हैं कि इतना इतना data है जिनको कैंसर है.
Yes, ma'am.
Then slowly saying that your reports also show the similar pattern. And then sandwich में नीचे का layer क्या है? That this amount of treatment is available. We are at a better position.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? तो उन चीजों के बारे में पढ़ो. Breaking the bad news कैसे करते हो? Psycho-oncology के बारे में पढ़ो. ठीक है? Very good. Spike system नेहा has contributed. ठीक है? Spike के बारे में पढ़ो. Breaking the bad news के बारे में पढ़ो. Psycho-oncology के बारे में पढ़ो. ठीक है? Grief के बारे में पढ़ो. Stages of grief. Somebody who's lost a family or a friend because of cancer. ठीक है? तो उन चीजों के बारे में पढ़ो. क्या assessments आप लगाते थे? ठीक है? How would you prepare somebody who's going for chemotherapy?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? उन चीजों के बारे में पढ़ो. Somebody who's undergoing, okay, somebody who can see on the verge of losing a family member, they've been told. ठीक है? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. and how do you promote healthy lifestyle, how do you motivate, motivational enhancement therapy के बारे में पढ़ो, how do you motivate them to take up a healthy lifestyle instead of brooding over what is going on wrong in their life. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो इन सब चीजों के बारे में पढ़ सकते हो. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
कोमॉर्बिडिटी हो सकती है ना डिप्रेशन की,
Yes, ma'am.
उसके बारे में पढ़ सकते हो, है ना. CBT फॉर डिप्रेशन के बारे में पढ़ सकते हो, डिप्रेशन के स्केल्स के बारे में पढ़ सकते हो, सिम्टम्स ऑफ डिप्रेशन के बारे में पढ़ सकते हो. ओके, इन सब
Yes.
चीजों, ठीक है. वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है तो गाइस बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर फील्ड, दे विल आस्क यू.
I have also
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
work experience of around 1 year in a private clinic, so I also have the same question. Like if they ask me, so how will I?
You will have to be very careful in answering now. Don't say you have carried out psychodiagnostic assessment. Just say you have done them under supervision.
Yes,
ठीक है, वो कभी मत बोलना because you're not qualified here and it could be interpreted in wrong terms. ठीक है,
yes, ma'am.
फिर वो ये हो जाएगा जब कर ही लिया आपने, फिर आपको RCA लाइसेंस यहाँ लेने और यहाँ पढ़ने सीखने क्या करने आए हो. ठीक है,
Yes.
so be very careful with the terms you use. Then again, Aishwarya, as I said, make sure what are you going to say. अगर आप बोलोगे कि they are going to get into your clinic and see क्या चल रहा है. ठीक है,
Yeah.
until and
Yeah.
unless, you know, if I say I have done internship from IBHAS but I don't know what is schizophrenia,
Yes, ma'am.
then it is a stupid thing, no? यहाँ पे you can mold the interview. ठीक है, so
Yes.
I'm just asking you guys to be tactful. Okay, so अगर आप बोल रहे हो नहीं मैंने personality disorders देखे हैं, मैंने OCD देखा है, but if I ask you therapy for OCD, then you don't know.
Yes.
If I ask you what is magical thinking, then you don't know. ठीक है, if I ask you the most common type of OCD, then you don't know. If I ask you cognitive explanation for OCD, then you don't know. ठीक है, तो बोलो वही जो इसके बारे में आगे बात करने को आप रेडी हो.
Yes, ma'am.
आप जो बोलोगे उसका लीडिंग क्वेश्चन ही आप आगे दोगे उनको.
Right, ma'am.
है ना, डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म्स के बारे में नहीं पता आपको, ठीक है, तो फिर नहीं चलेगा. ओके, देन यू आर पुटिंग योरसेल्फ इनटू अ वेरी बिग ट्रबल. कोमॉर्बिडिटीज नहीं पता,
Right.
ठीक है, वाई बॉक्स के बारे में नहीं पता, और क्वेश्चंस क्या, यही तो क्वेश्चन है. देन इफ यू से अगेन, मुझे जॉब एक्सपीरियंस से एक और चीज याद आई, दे विल आस्क यू एक्सपीरियंस फॉर रिसर्च.
Right, ma'am.
ओके, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव डन dissertations in your masters?
Ma'am, I have done dissertations also and 3 papers also. I have written, presented them in conferences.
So make very sure you're very thorough with your dissertation का methodology वाला part. What sampling have you used? ठीक है, what is the design? क्या कर रहे हो? Okay? अपनी dissertation अंदर लेके जाना is up to you if you're very thorough with your dissertation. If not required, don't take it. But make very आपने कितने groups बनाए? 3 ग्रुप है तो कौन सा स्टैट्स यूज होगा? ओके, सिर्फ रिलेशन देखना है. ओके, कोरिलेशन यूज किया है, क्यों, क्या फायदा होता है कोरिलेशन का? कॉजल फैक्टर पता चलता है कोरिलेशन से? नहीं. ठीक है, इस तरीके के लीडिंग क्वेश्चंस आगे आगे चलते रहेंगे. ओके, आपने जो चीज सिंपली की है उसका मेथोडोलॉजी जरूर देख के जाए अच्छे से. स्केल्स जो यूज किए उनके बारे में डिटेल में पढ़ के जाए. ठीक है, स्टैट्स जो यूज किया है उसके बारे में देख के जाए. सिंपल. It will hardly take you 20-25 minutes to go through your whole dissertation very thoroughly. ठीक है, रिसर्च बहुत लोगों ने किया होगा, तो मेक श्योर आपने अच्छे से उसको प्रिपेयर किया है बिफोर द इंटरव्यू.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Anything else, anyone? Any new out of the way question भी हो सकता है, बिल्कुल पैटर्न में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, when we are asked in the interview what is your favorite subject, can we say child psychology?
You can say anything you want, Dimple.
Okay, because previously I had attended one interview in my own hometown, and that institutes they told me, if you like child psychology, why are you here? Why didn't you take rehabilitation? So
just say you're fond of child psychology and childhood disorders.
Okay.
And you know, you can also say that probably you've been more exposed to them. The more other exposure you get, probably you will have a diverse field of interest to them. This is how you're supposed to conclude your answer.
Okay. Okay.
Because अभी तक आपको exposure ही वही होगा, तो वही पसंद आएगा ना.
Yeah.
हो सकता है आपको बाकी exposure नहीं हुआ हो इतना.
Yes.
So you can always conclude that way, that you know, you can also say that, you know, it will be too early because you haven't been exposed to everything. I know you've been exposed to so and so disorders. अब ABC में you're fond of A and B, not.
Okay.
Okay, you can just say that ways.
Okay, ma'am.
Give very nice concluding answers, guys. Don't be what is your favorite, what is, and trust me, they don't ask you what is your favorite disorder. They'll ask you what is your well-read topic, or what are you most confident about. Suppose you say schizophrenia, and they'll be like, okay, so you have seen schizophrenia. ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं पूछेंगे what is your favorite. तो आप ऐसे मत जवाब दो schizophrenia. Just say I've been exposed to a lot of schizophrenic clients in my internship or in my work experience, and that is why somehow I have an interest in it. Please answer in full statements, full answers. स्कूल का इंटरव्यू थोड़ी है A for apple, बस एप्पल बोल के आप चुप हो गए. You are a psychologist, they're also psychologists. एक डिफरेंस होगा, वो क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं या प्रोफेसर्स हैं या साइकेट्रिस्ट हैं, और आप साइकोलॉजिस्ट हो, और आप उस टेबल के उस साइड जाने वाले हो थोड़े टाइम में. ठीक है, वो अपनी लाने इस साइड लाने को थोड़ा तो सवाल पूछेंगे आपको. तो गिव स्टेटमेंट वाइज आंसर. डोंट गिव लाइक schizophrenia, OCD. No, I am fond of OCD because I have interned here or I worked here, and the supervisor or my mentor would get a lot of OCD cases. They were known for their OCD practice, and so I got into much reading about OCD. This is how you're supposed to give answer. Okay, समझ में आया how you're supposed to present yourself there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I had one more doubt. Ma'am, in written examination, like how much, percentage do we need? How
See, it's
much?
variable. It's variable. It's percentile वाला. ठीक है? मतलब जैसे depends on the performance of other people also, na, in the group.
Ma'am, like roughly how many answers should be?
75 answers to 70 to 75 तो all like base है ना, basic है. 100 से आपको करेक्ट करना ही है. अगर आप श्योर हो ना कि आपका 80% तक आंसर करेक्ट है, मैं 4-5 आंसर्स वैसे ही निकाल दूं कि आपने ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर जजमेंट किए. 4-5 टाइम की वजह से बिगड़ गए. ठीक है, 10 फिर भी वैसे लेके चलते हैं. 80 तो श्योर आप क्लियर करके आओगे ना. ठीक है, बाकी 10 हम बेनिफिट ऑफ जो भी दें उसको, अच्छा बुरा नेगेटिव बेनिफिट पॉजिटिव बेनिफिट दोनों दे दें. ठीक है, 5 आपसे गलत हुए हैं और 5 टाइम के लिए निकाल देते हैं. टाइम फैक्टर में हो सकता है A की जगह कभी D मार्क हो जाता है, लाइक नॉट A की जगह B की जगह कभी D हो जाता है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो वो सब के लिए भी हम चलो इन टोटल 10 हटा देते हैं, 10 वैसे रखते हैं, बट 80 तो क्लियर करोगे ना.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just giving you an idea. If I have to sit in your place and calculate for myself, I would do this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, anything else, guys? And our UIBS students, you don't worry. Once you clear the entrance, you will get another class for preparation of interview. Even if it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, जो भी है, I'll pray all of you, irrespective of UIBS से हो या नहीं, should at least clear the written and then understand. Okay, how things going on. Interview preparation and all वो हो जाएगा. इतना टेंशन का सीन नहीं है. ठीक है? And I'm very glad some of you are very vocal in the class. Some of you are not at all. बहुत difficulty हो गया. I'm telling you here, अभी बता रही हूँ. Every day you have to speak there. Every day. Irrespective of your preparation of speaking. ठीक है? Anything else बच्चों? Anything else you want me to answer? Anything apart from CIP भी पूछ सकते हो यार. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आराम से पूछो.
Is Amity a good institute to do MPhil from?
See, there are 2 notions to go about MPhil preparation. Number 1, institute. Number 1, what kind of a student you are. If you are a lazy student, even NIMHANS is not good for you.
Okay.
You will not learn anything. I have batchmates with me. Okay, trust me. I somehow, not that I was a bright student from childhood. No, not at all. I was average. Okay, in college I started studying. I was average. I was like, अरे यार इतना क्या करना है. But I was very lazy. बहुत आराम से. I was pampered and lazy. In college, when I was on my own, I got major setbacks in life. कि चीजें on my own भी करनी पड़ती हैं. And then I became very proactive in life.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, and like मेरा तो टेस्ट ही खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. I'm really becoming more and more proactive because of life situations. ठीक है, so yeah, so don't be lazy. पहले ही proactive हो जाओ कि you don't get into test in life later. Okay, jokes apart, if you are a lazy person, if you are not proactive, if you don't grab opportunities, you will learn nothing. I get and मेरे साथ क्या हुआ, the moment I entered bachelor's, I started studying very seriously. क्योंकि पहले तो नहीं पढ़ा तो free थे, energy सेव थी. ठीक है, सारी एनर्जी जो सेव थी वो मैंने बैचलर्स मास्टर्स एंड एमफिल में यूज कर ली. ठीक है, and I became a good student there, above average at least. पहले I was very simple average. ठीक है, so
Right.
I remember my batchmates. I remember क्या अभी also my batchmates. They still my batchmates, my senior, and people in good institutes. You know, we have all of us are associated in 10 to 15 WhatsApp groups. Na, they ask for queries which are very basic.
Right.
ठीक है, जो एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि उनको पता होना चाहिए. सो इसीलिए आपकी मर्जी है, आप एमिटी में भी बहुत अच्छा सीख सकते हो, बहुत अच्छे एक्टिव रोल प्ले कर सकते हो एंड कम आउट टू बी वेरी सक्सेसफुल क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट. आप निमहांस से भी कुछ नहीं सीख के आ सकते हो.
Right.
ठीक है, तो वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है. प्लस हाँ, गिवन द फैक्ट एनी डे यू नो व्हाट यू विल चूज व्हेन यू गेट 2 ऑप्शंस.
Right.
ठीक है.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, my question is related to this question which she asked, Aishwarya. Actually, RML and other people, CIP, Ranchi, and all these institutes have settings, within themselves for hospitals.
Go for them first. इनमें क्या होगा? You will be given responsibility about the student, about the client, sorry, patient. जहाँ पे you will be sent into internships, you will get into you yourself also understand ना कि थोड़ा सा तो responsibility factor आप पे कम आ जाएगा ना.
Definitely, ma'am.
रिस्पॉन्सिबल जहाँ होगे वहाँ ज्यादा
सीखने नहीं देते.
देंगे, ऐसा नहीं है, देते हैं, उनका भी अच्छा है अरेंजमेंट. बट यहाँ पे
Ma'am, I've done my master's in clinical psychology from Amity. So I don't know, maybe back now they've improved, but the internship.
मास्टर्स डिफरेंट है, देखो नेहा, एमफिल डिफरेंट है ना. बट अगेन जिनके साथ हॉस्पिटल एफिलिएटेड है, जिनका अपना हॉस्पिटल है, ऑलवेज गो फॉर दोस थिंग्स फर्स्ट. ठीक है.
Right, thank you, ma'am.
बाकी यू योरसेल्फ नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट यू आर. आप हॉस्पिटल हो ना हो, कैसे अरेंज करोगे अपने आप को, आपको पता है. ठीक है. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else, guys? It's a long journey, guys. We're just starting.
Yeah. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, if one can do internship in a hospital, so it is help in further for cracking interview.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं. ना तो आपका जॉब ना आपका इंटर्नशिप मैटर करता है. आपका रिटर्न का स्कोर एंड योर परफॉर्मेंस इन द इंटरव्यू मैटर करता है. कोई एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे आपको इंटर्नशिप्स और जॉब्स के. If you say you've done job and you don't answer about the job, if you say you've done internship and you can't answer anything, तब तो आप अपने आप को खुद ही पैर में कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हो. ठीक है, मारते हैं, बहुत लोग मारते हैं पैर में कुल्हाड़ी, बहुत कॉमन चीज है ये. इसीलिए whatever you're sure of, only speak about that. Nothing gives you extra marks. None of your extracurricular certificates are going to be that useful here. Just your written score and your interview appearance and performance. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Chalo. Anything else, guys?
Ma'am, I also have done diploma in coaching, counseling, and in hypnotherapy also. So should I mention it there?
If you are asked about it, don't go and mention the first thing that.
Okay.
ठीक है? Because क्या होता है, again, this is not RCI recognized, and you will yourself understand the value of such things when things are not RCI recognized. ये RCI recognized है क्या?
Ma'am, hypnotherapy, I have diploma in hypnotherapy. They can, psychologists can do that.
No. The course, have you done it from an RCI recognized institute or just a course from a group of psychologists you have done it?
Ma'am, ISCH, Indian Society for Clinical and Experimental Hypnosis.
So this is not under RCI, right? So they will not. मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, चीजें वही मेंशन करो जो बेसिकली आपको क्या दिखाना है. वहां पे आपके पास क्लिनिकल एप्टीट्यूड है, आप मेहनती हो, आप हार्डवर्क करके यहाँ तक आए हो, आगे भी यू आर गोइंग टू बी अ फ्रूटफुल पोटेंशियल थिंग फॉर द इंस्टीट्यूट. ठीक है. डोंट आउटस्मार्ट देम विद वन सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ हिप्नोथेरेपी. समझ आई बात? ऑफेंड नहीं करना वहां किसी को.
यस मैम.
ठीक है. टेक्स्ट बुक्स के नाम लोगे पूरे लो, कोशिश करो इंडियन टेक्स्ट बुक्स के नाम इतने नहीं लेने हैं. अच्छे फॉरेन ऑथर्स के नाम लो, 4 5 10 है, 10 के नाम लो. मिस अप नहीं करना अपने लिए खुद ही वहां पे. ठीक है.
Okay.
Very easy, guys, trust me. मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, I was an average student. If a person like me can do, all of you can do it.
Ma'am, like I have a diploma by RCI, the Rehabilitation Council of India. So I'm registered.
पूछो, अगर पूछेंगे तो मेंशन करो ना नेहा, खुद से क्यों
मेंशन? Yes मैम, ये मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि मैम इट्स सिंपल रूल जस्ट लाइक प्रैक्टिकल्स, जो आप आंसर कर सकते हो वही बताओ.
बस 20 questions है, 2-3 नहीं आंसर कर पा रही हो, just gladly say right now I don't remember, I'll definitely read about this more.
मैम बट मेरा वहाँ पे जो हमारे फॉर्म्स हैं उसमें जो एजुकेशन पॉसिबल होगी, हाँ आई कम्प्लीटली गेट योर पॉइंट नाउ. हमारे परफॉर्मर को देख के जो वो पूछेंगे इंटरेस्टेड होंगे, ओनली दैट इज सपोज्ड टू बी आंसर्ड. अपने आप से
And
स्मार्टली बनना
adapt
पड़ेगा.
this as for your life also. As a teacher also, if I'm not able, I just tell my students, I'll get back to it. Probably I am not a machine, no? मैं Google नहीं
Of course.
Google, if you just tell me, I just blur out the answer, no?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Any specific question that I should prepare from the rehabilitation psychologist point of view, ma'am?
अपना सिलेबस एक बार देख लो क्या है, क्या
ठीक है.
पेपर्स के नाम थे वो देख लो, वो हम भूल जाते हैं इंटरव्यू में. आपसे
हाँ जी,
पूछेगा
ma'am.
पेपर्स क्या था, ब्लैंक हो जाओगे.
Yes, ma'am. You're
ठीक
right.
है, वो देख लो, सिलेबस
Thank
देख
you,
लो,
ma'am.
syllabus
Very
material
practical.
क्या
Thank
है.
you.
ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
चलो. Okay, and all the best, guys. आराम से करना, आराम से दो. Like have fun with your journey in life. I'll say that. Okay, learn from it. चलो.
Ma'am, a small point I'd like to make that
बोलो वर्षा.
today that I'm able to see you in the class, I'm more interested in attending it.
Okay, take. I'll make sure I keep my videos on further also. Not all the time, but yeah, most of the time.
Ma'am, this
Then
only
we-
that when we have our webcam on, and then
I'll make sure
it
I do that.
becomes
Sometimes
little more
sometimes in a different
interesting.
zone. ठीक है, for most of our therapies and all, I keep it on, but ठीक है, I will try to do that. We'll also request the students to do it so that it becomes more and more, interactive in nature. ठीक है?
Everybody.
Ma'am, it's just a honest compliment. You have a very soothing and very assertive voice. From the first class, I
In
said
fact,
like
all
this
of us
person.
can do that.
This makes
Like
sense. This
those
person is making
who
sense. So
do
very,
not
very
have
clear, assertive,
any
and soothing
internet
voice for the patients.
issues
Okay,
or
Neha.
any other issues.
Thank you so much. Thank you. ठीक है, I can go on hours motivating you. You just need to act
It's
on it.
actually
ठीक है, I can go hours motivating you. Trust me. And being a clinical psychologist is just not on papers. You have to change yourself internally also. ठीक है? Imagine the same person, you can see on the screen right now, being very pampered, lazy, okay, and getting things, मतलब जो बोला है मिल जाएगा वो वैसा. ठीक है? But I got somehow, I got a very good friend group, ठीक है, who were all psychologists, so I understood the value of hard work. ठीक है? My parents, I had seen both of them were working, and their degrees are what made us survive, reach me. मैं यहाँ तक इसीलिए पहुंची. So they just told me one thing, मिलेगा सब, but अपने आप करना है. Like we don't have any backing or we don't have any पहचान या कोई चाचा विधायक नहीं है. ठीक है? सब चीजें अपने आप करनी है.
True, ma'am.
Okay.
Hard work always pays
Yes,
off.
it pays off. Trust me, it pays off. ठीक है? Trust me, it pays off. मुझे कोई चीज पढ़ के या रीड करके कभी भी बुरा नहीं लगता कि यार ये पढ़ लिया, क्वेश्चन तो कुछ और था, या कल क्लास में ये पढ़ाना और मैं यही पढ़ती रह गई, 1 बज गए रात के. आई डोंट फील बैड. वो कहीं ना कहीं काम आता है.
Yes, ma'am. Always.
ठीक है? चलो गाइज, यू ऑल्सो रीड प्रॉपरली. यू कैन पोर इन क्वेरीज थ्रू वाया UIBS, जो भी आपको है मेरे से. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो,
Thank you so much,
so
ma'am.
much guys.
Thank you so
All
much,
the
ma'am.
best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.